What is the best way to stop a child's cough at night? Coughing at night can be really frustrating for both kids and parents. It often keeps children awake and makes everyone restless. But don't worry, there are safe and effective ways to help soothe a child's cough and improve their sleep. First, it's important to understand that most nighttime coughs are caused by common colds or allergies. Sometimes, post-nasal drip or asthma can also be factors. Usually, these are mild and improve as the illness runs its course. The main goal is to provide comfort and support the child's body as it fights off the infection. Hydration is key. Encourage your child to drink plenty of fluids during the day. Warm liquids like herbal tea without caffeine, warm water, or warm apple juice can help soothe the throat and thin mucus, making it easier to clear from the airways. Using a humidifier in the child's room can also add moisture to dry air, which often worsens coughing. Remember to clean the humidifier regularly to prevent mold or bacteria buildup. Elevating your child's head slightly with an extra pillow can help reduce coughing caused by post-nasal drip, but for infants and very young children, never use pillows due to safety concerns. Instead, you can slightly elevate the head of the mattress or consult your pediatrician for safe options. For younger children who cannot blow their nose, saline nasal drops and a bulb syringe can clear nasal passages before bedtime, reducing post-nasal drip and cough. For children over 1 year old, a small amount of honey before bed can be helpful. Honey has been shown in studies to soothe the throat and reduce coughing at night. Use about half to 1 teaspoon, but never give honey to infants under 1 year old because of the risk of infant botulism. Warm drinks like herbal tea or warm apple juice can also provide comfort and help loosen mucus. Sitting with your child in a steamy bathroom for a few minutes before bed can help loosen mucus and ease coughing as well. It's important to avoid over-the-counter cough medicines in young children. These medications are not recommended for children under 6 years old and often lack strong evidence of effectiveness. They can also cause side effects. Never give honey to infants under 1 year old. Also, do not try to suppress a productive cough unless it is causing significant distress or preventing sleep, because coughing helps clear mucus from the airways. Most coughs will improve on their own within a few days to a week. However, seek medical advice if the cough lasts longer than a week, gets worse, or if your child has trouble breathing, wheezing, or a high fever. If your child shows signs of dehydration, lethargy, or skin color changes, contact your healthcare provider promptly. For infants under 3 months with any cough, it's especially important to consult a doctor. If your child has a condition like asthma or allergies, follow their healthcare provider's management plan. For example, children with asthma may need their prescribed inhaler, and those with allergies might benefit from allergy medications. Always remember that each child is different, and what works for one may not work for another. In summary, the best way to help a child stop coughing at night is through supportive care. Keep them well hydrated, use a humidifier, elevate their head if appropriate, and consider giving honey if they are over 1 year old. Avoid giving over-the-counter cough medicines to young children and never give honey to infants. Most coughs are temporary and will resolve with time. If you have concerns or if symptoms are severe or persistent, always consult your child's healthcare provider for personalized advice.